Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today. So, I got in a small order that I did from scrapbookingwithme.com and I wanted to share it with you real quick. So, I got the last set of the Distress Oxide inks in. Um, I've been trying to get caught up because we all know he just announced the new release of the next set of 12. So, I think this will make a total of 48 that's out. And I had to get it filled in before we couldn't get those anymore. And then I've been dying for this 6x6 pad. Ever since it came out, the I'd rather be crafting collection. I knew I wanted to get it, and so I real quick, everything was on sale. I think it was around 4th of July, somewhere in there that I did it. And so I got 2 packs of this, one to cut and one to hoard, of course. I think that's the way we should buy, right? One to cut, one to hoard. All right. So, in here, the reason why I even created the order was because I think it was Edith showed us the 49 Market Sweet Reflections. Oh my God. I'm going to show you the paper in the 6x6 only because it's easier to fit in the frame. But you can use the back of the cover sheet because they color the back of that as well. So there's not a piece that you can't use with with this paper collection. And you almost don't want to cut up their paper. They really make it unfair because it's so pretty and it really does work as a base if you're um, that type of a layout maker. You could really benefit using these particular papers. Um, as I go through here, look, you can see, look at that cute little bird. Isn't that cute? So, with this collection, I purposely wanted it because I've never experienced their cut files. I don't know if that's something new they started with this year's collections or if it was this particular collection. Um, but as I go through here, this is the last sheet and then it repeats. So those all repeat. And then right in there, I noticed, oh my gosh, we got some cut files in the 6x6. Excited? All right, so here you go. You get the looks like an envelope, and then they have a little small piece that you can layer on top to give it a little dimension. And then on this one, the butterfly does it. That little piece of the butterfly wing goes on top of the butterfly. So you have the option, to give it a little bit of a layered look. And then on this one, this cut apart, you can either use the solid back or like I said, you can cut all those little squares apart, the tags, and use those. Um, what's awesome is on the 12 by 12, they included a larger cut file. And I'm trying to fix it because there's a little piece that when I took it out to look at it, of course, got a little bent. So I wanted to make sure it laid straight. But OMG, this collection. I'm telling you guys, love it. Love it. It's so pretty. Ugh, I hope I get the courage to cut into it. All right, so here's going to be some close-ups on the Distress Oxides, the I'd Rather Be Crafting, and the 49 and Market paper collection. Sweet Reflections. Oh wow. It's just so pretty. It really is. I'll have links down below to all the items that I got here, and you can use my coupon code, I believe, still the TT15. If not, you can also type in rewards, and you'll get a 15% off, I believe, discount. Okay, and you'll be added into the rewards program. So win-win. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you go to scrapbookingwithme.com, links below, and I will see you with our next video.